How to use ChatGPT with Alexa. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT with Alexa. First of all, just open Alexa Developer Console and here just click on Create a Skill. And now just name the skill that you want to create, right? ChatGPT, and choose the primary locate. So I'm just gonna choose English, and after that just click on next and select the type of the experience that you want to have from Alexa and choose the model, and after that just click on next and just click on create a skill. So once you have created this skill, all you have to do is install the Alexa app. Just search for the skill that you have created in your Alexa while clicking on more icon and click on music or skill and games, and then click on search, and after that just install the skill My GPT. For the most part, My GPT skill works very well, but activate it from your Android or your iOS app. Now you can go ahead and speak to Alexa and give command and prompts to open My GPT. So now when you talk with Alexa, she'll be supercharged, which is more intelligent than the default Alexa. Moreover, it is able to connect the API of the Alexa store with any online sites we have built. So user will be able to voice search the product or any other form of website with effective responses. So this is how you can use ChatGPT with Alexa. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.